Today we're going to be making a vibrant kale salad that tastes delicious. Kale has gone from a pizza bar garnish to a super popular leafy green. It's a great way to diversify from spinach, and it packs a ton more nutrients than lighter green lettuces like iceberg. So the key to any good salad is balance. We're going to be using a variety of toppings, different vegetables to create a sweet, sour, tangy, tart taste profile, as well as give us a variety of textures. After washing all of the veggies, the first thing we need to do here is destem the kale. The stem is full of fibrous vascular tissue that transports nutrients from the roots up to the leaves, but it's too bitter and tough to digest. So we'll remove it by slicing on either side of the stalk. And then roughly chop the rest of the kale leaf. Now this is key. We want to massage the kale to manually break down some of those tough cell walls. When the cell walls are crushed, they're actually going to release the myrosinase enzyme and glucosinolates. These are natural compounds containing sulfur that the plant produces in order to deter pests from nibbling on the leaves. It's a secondary metabolite that causes the bitter flavor. We're going to massage with a little bit of avocado to give us this fantastic creaminess. The lipids in the avocado also help transport fat-soluble vitamins during digestion. So really dig into this, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes until you can start to see the physical changes happen. The kale has wilted and gotten a little bit darker, and also you can see the volume is much less than when we first started. Dressing is super easy to make at home, and you can control exactly what flavors you want. The key thing is to use a mix of a ratio of about 3 to 2 to 1. 3 parts oil, 2 parts vinegar or something acidic like lemons, and 1 part extra flavors like honey, Dijon mustard, and herbs. The Dijon mustard we're using today actually also acts as an emulsifier, so it's going to help our oil stay suspended within the mixture instead of separating out. That's due to the actual mustard seeds. Their exterior contains amphipathic molecules, which can interact with both water-based solutions and lipids, so you don't get that separation anymore. Now we've added all of the veggies to the avocado massage kale, and it's looking beautiful. You'll want to add the dressing about 10 to 15 minutes before you serve the salad. Since the dressing has that acidic lemon juice and vinegar, it will continue to wilt the kale. The result is stunning and delicious. Enjoy!